Hi friends, we are going to solve more questions on number, ranking and time sequence series. Let's dive right away. We have a question here. Count each one in the following sequence of numbers that is immediately followed by 2. If 2 is not immediately followed by 3, how many such ones are there? As we have seen previously, all we have to do is bifurcate the sentence in small parts so that we can understand it better. For example, first we say, what do we have to count? We have to count twos, right? No, we have to count ones. Count each one. Count each one in the following sequence. Okay. Now, this is a redundant sentence. It has a meaning, of course, but we can ignore for now. Okay. What do we have to count? Count each one. Then, this is the second sentence. That is actually 1. Okay. Count each one that is immediately followed by 2. So 1 is followed by 2. 1 is followed by 2. But there is one more sentence, which is if 2 is not immediately followed by 3. So there should not be a 3 here, right? Okay. Basically, 1, 2 we have to find where 3 does not exist in the front. Let's see. We have 1, 2 here, which is not followed by 3. So this is counted. 1, 2 here, which is followed by 3 here. So this is not counted. Another 1, 2 here. There's no 3 here. This is counted. 1, 2. There's no 3 here. This is counted. 1, 2. There's a 3 here. This is not counted. 1, 7. No. 1, 2 we have. And it is followed by 5. So this is also counted. So how many such ones we have? 4. And we have an answer. Let's solve another question. Okay, looks like a smaller question, but again we have to find the smaller number of words so that we can understand the question better. Okay, let's read it once. How many sevens are there in the following series which are preceded by 6, which is not preceded by 8? Similar to previous one, what do we have to count? Sevens. So we write a 7 in the following series which are preceded by 6. This is our second part. So 7 should be preceded by 6. Now, this switch was about 7. Now, this switch is about 6. What is the condition for 6? 6 which is not preceded by 8. So, 6 should not be preceded by 8. Wherever we have this, that will be counted. Let's see. We have to find what? 8, 6, 7? No, we have to find 6, 7. Let's see. 6, 7 is here. 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. That's all. We have 4, 6, 7s. Now we have to find where it is preceded by 8. Is it here? No. So this is counted. 8 here is preceded. This will not be counted. Here it is 5, again counted. Here it is 1. This is counted. So basically we have 3 such series, or rather 3 such 7s which satisfy the given condition. So the answer is 3. Okay, you can go back once again if you want to watch this specific questions. Both the questions are of similar type. Let's solve another one. In the following list of numerals, how many 2's are followed by 1's but not preceded by 4? Okay, okay, so we have a question here. In the following list of numerals, how many 2's are followed by 1's but not preceded by 4? Now what do? We find what do we have to find first. How many 2's? We have to count number of 2's, okay, which are followed by 1's. Followed by 1. So basically followed is the second number, preceded is the previous number that we have established already, right? Followed by 1's but not preceded by 4. So before it should not be a 4. Okay, so we have to find two ones where there is no 4 before these two ones. Let's find out. There's a 2 1 but a 4 here, so not counted. There's a 2 1, there's a 1 before this, so this is counted. 2 1 not counted because there's a 4 before. We have a 2 here but there is no 1. We have to find two ones basically. Here it is 2 counted, another 2 1 which is preceded by 1, this is counted. We have a 2 1 here but there is a 4 here, so this is not counted. There's a 2 1 here but a 4 here, not counted. 2 1 here preceded by 1, so counted. Then we have a 2 1 here, but again there is a 4 before, this is not counted, and that's all the 2 1s that we have. Okay, remember the question was how many 2's are there, but considering the another condition, we made our question to find not 2's but 2 1s. Okay, so that our finding the required condition output is satisfied. We made another condition that 4 should not be preceded by this 2 1. So if you find the number of ticks 1 2 3 4, there are 4 such conditions, 4 such 2 1s that the condition is satisfied. Okay, let's solve another one, shall we? Now we have a group of questions, two group of questions, okay, based on a single number series. This can also happen, right? Let's solve first the ninth one. Okay, how many 7s are preceded by 9 and followed by 6? Now this is an easier one. What are we supposed to find? 7s preceded by 9, so there should be a 9 before, and followed by 6. All we have to find is 976 in this number series. Let's go. There's 1976 here. There is 197, but there is no 6 here. And there's 1976 here. We have 2976, so our answer is 2. Okay, let's see. Let's solve another question now, shall we? Which figures have equal frequency? Now frequency is nothing but how many times these numbers occur. Okay, so let's write it down. We have 253, we have 245, 375, 865. Okay, okay, so basically there are 3 numbers in each. All these numbers have some frequency. Okay, let's find out what that is, shall we? First, for 2, there are how many number of 2's? There is this 1 2 2 3. There are 3 2's. Okay, how many 5's are there? 1 2 2 5's are there. How many 3's are there? 1, that's it, 1. How many 4's are there? 1 2 3. There are 3 4's. Okay, and then what all is remaining? There are 2 5 3 2 4 5 3 7 5. Let's see 7's now. How many 7's are there? 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 7's. Okay, then 8 is remaining, I believe. Yes, how many 8's are there? 1 2, that's it, there are 2 8's, and 6, 1, then we have 2. Okay, so if we try to find a series of 3, we have 8 6 and 5. All these 3 have frequency of 2, and that is our answer here. Okay, that's all for today now. We'll get back with more questions. Stay tuned to Reason Up.